Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diab. I am an interior architect and this is a new video in Ikea store tours series. This time I will walk you through in a small bedrooms designed in Ikea, and I'm gonna show you how they took advantage of every corner and small area to create a functional and modern style bed. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. Hey guys, let's start off with this small bedroom, which has most of what we need here. Like here, in spite of its small space, but we can create a reading area with desk and bookshelf by using the vertical spaces you have and create a multiple function of it with a small partition here at the side to create 3 sides of the area instead of 2. Also, when you design a small space, stay away as much as you can from the horizontal furnishing design. And by using the hanging pieces, like the nightstand here, it's simply attached to the wall or the headboard, and the nightstand at the sides of the bed as well. And using the drawer underneath the bed here is a really practical design in a small bedroom. And if you have the chance to custom design your bed, it will allow you to have as many storage as you want. So instead, if you have a dresser or drawer big one, you can use this drawer underneath your bed. And here for the closet, it's a small one, but they use it perfectly using vertical design, and instead of using regular shelves, they're using to pull it out and make it easy for you to search for your stuff. So if you imagine you can have this heights of shelves only, it's gonna be very deep and you cannot reach to the deepest point. Also for the closet door, the perfect solution here is the slide doors to give you enough space to use it without any struggling in the area between the closet and the bed. And actually, they didn't use regular nightstand here because when you have a small area or small bedroom, you hang everything you need on the wall. So you can hang your light, you can hang your nightstand like this and use a shelf with a small drawer. Also, you can use your ceiling. You can hang your lights from the ceiling or attach to the wall as you see here. For the second room here, the designer has replaced one of the nice side spots with a wing chair, has side table next to it to create a seating area, and a long ottoman as wide as the bed for the storage and seating purpose as well. So you don't have to stick to the typical design and furniture pieces in their bedroom because it's gonna limit your usage for your small space. And this room actually is the perfect design if you have very small space. Like here they used the same closet of the previous one, a slide door and very small one, and this wheel cart it used as the shelves and a side table. Using movable furniture pieces is a very good idea in a small space. As I mentioned before, you can use as much as you can design your vertical space instead of horizontal one. It will help a lot to have multiple functional areas in such a small space. And here is using the bed at the upper level, and instead of using another bed down here, the designer used it as a desk area and seating area. Also using a curtains is the cheapest and easiest fastest way to create a partitions in your space. This bedroom is kind of fancy style design with this chandelier light, but it's designed a little different than the other room. By placing the bed in the middle of the space with the diagonal position to create another space behind the bed, and this is also allow you to use the whole back wall to build a huge closet and built-in dresser as a one unit. Also, the dark color of the wall and the furniture gives a nice visual weight to the room, balancing with the bed and furniture pieces upholstered. Okay guys, we came to the end of this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.